guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be doing an unboxing slash review on the Imethod Beauty holiday collection as well as the Staycation Collection as well. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do tips and reviews. Like I said, here in this video I will be doing an unboxing slash review as well as some swatching. Also, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload. And let's get on with unboxing and swatching these gels. First one that I do want to go ahead and unbox is this one, which this one is the holiday collection, which look at this packaging. I absolutely love, and it is so beautiful. So these are gel colored nail polishes, and I will be going ahead and unboxing them.
I ain't pray for these baguettes, I pray for better days. I ain't pray for that new vet, I'd rather have my...
So this one comes with 6 gels, which I do believe I do already have this collection, so I'm not too sure, but I'm pretty sure I do. So I am going to go ahead and take out the colors to see if I do already. So here we have 103, we have 114, 118, as well as 119, 120, and last but not least 121. As you just seen, these 6 colors are the ones from the holiday collection, which I am going to be showing you guys what these colors look like because I do already have these gels. So this is the color of this first one, which is a really pretty red. And then here I have 114, which this is a really pretty glitter as well. I absolutely love, and it's one of my favorites. Here I have 118, which is so pretty. This is a really pretty red glitter as well. Here next we have 119, and this is what this one looks like. Then here but not least we have 120, and this is what this one looks like. Here we have 121, and this is what this one looks like. Really pretty glitter. So here I do have all 6 colors. Now I will be opening the Staycation Collection. This is what the Staycation Collection packaging looks like. Same box as you could see. And then here on the back it does have some goodies. So it does have their website as well as their social media, as well as like the ingredients that they have. So they are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, naan-free formula, as well as the longer wear. So love that. So make sure to go check them out if you guys haven't. I will make sure to link it down below as well so that way you guys can go ahead and check it out. Now I will be going ahead and unboxing it.
Dogs back, Lord protect me with this tech. I ain't prayed for this protect. Remember the...
So this one came with a little booklet. So this is what this one looks like. So it has like all their other products that they have, as well as how to apply the gel polish, as well as more about the formula and like all that. So it has like the difference of the layers that you apply and all that, so I love that. And then here also it has like some little FAQs, and then here are their collections and their colors. So we did get this collection, so I already got this collection, so I've been had it. So actually I will be giving the other collection away since this one's a new one that I don't have, and I don't think it's on here either. So I'm very excited to look at the colors. So this is what this one looks like. So the first one that I see here is 122, and this is what this one looks like, which looks like a really pretty pastel yellow. That's what it kind of looks like on camera, but I would say it's more kind of like a beige sand color. So that is 122. Here next we have 123, and this is what this one looks like, which looks so pretty. Look at that. I love this color, so pretty for the spring. Here next we have 124, which kind of looks like a yellow, which look at that looks absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to use that. And that is 124. Next we have 125, which is an orange, and this is what this one looks like. Really pretty. It kind of looks like a burnt orange, like a fall orange, which looks so beautiful. And again, this one is 125. And next we have 126, which kind of looks like a green color, and look at that. That looks absolutely beautiful. So pretty. And then last but not least we have 127, which looks like this, and it's so beautiful. Look at that. So now what I will be going ahead and doing is swatching these colors. So I will be going ahead and using my nail lamp, as well as I will be going ahead and using some swatch sticks as well. And I am going to start off by swatching the colors in order.
Yeah, I got the text, another fatherless child. Can't act right cause they left them fatherless. No look harder than fatherless.
So as you can see, they did finish curing. I did cure them again for like another 60 minutes, 60 seconds just to be sure, but The first one that we have here is 122. Look at that. And I love these gel polishers because they're very pigmented. As you can see, I only did one coat and look at that. They look beautiful and I love it. So here next we have 124 and then we have 125, which these are definitely giving me like spring vibes, which I love. Here next we have 126, which is a really pretty green, and then last but not least we have 127, which is a really pretty blue. And this is what all 6 colors look like from the Staycation Collection, which also I do want to mention it is a new collection, so make sure to go check it out. I will make sure to link it down below in the description in case you guys are interested in it, as well as the holiday collection. I will also make sure to link it down below in the description. Definitely also comment down below which color is your favorite 122 out of 127. My favorite, I would definitely have to say, is this blue, and definitely this like beige. It's not even beige, it's like an off-white cream color, which looks so beautiful. So again, this is what all 6 colors look like. And another thing that I do want to mention about these gel polishes, this is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute. It's like this navy blue bottle with like the pink unicorn, which I think is so cute, and then the black top. And then I do want to mention that these contain 8 ml, which is perfect because I honestly love the gel ones that I have, because I love that they're like such like they're not even like small, they're still like a good amount of gel which will last you. So this is what the back looks like. It says Imethod Beauty, exceptional formula, fashionable colors, iconic names, which we love. And then here it says the little caution thing at the bottom. So again, this is what it looks like, and again, this is 127 and the colors of the Staycation Collection. And also, if you guys haven't noticed, I also do like that the gel polishes on top have the number and like the color that they are, which I love because it's easy to find the color and like what you're looking for, especially when it's in your collection with like a bunch of other gels and name brands, which I love. So I love that they have the colors as well as the numbers, so that way you know what you're grabbing as you're going. So I love that as well. And again, this is what the packaging looks like and what they come in. So it has this beautiful butterfly at the front, and same thing like the other one, it has all these informational things. And also, if you guys have never gotten their gels, here they do have product testing programs, so make sure to go check it out if you guys haven't, if you guys are interested on that. But this is what the Imethod gels look like. So again, this is the Staycation Collection, and also I do have the holiday collection, which I will be giving away to one of you guys here watching. And if you guys want to know how to enter that giveaway, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified whenever I announce the winner. And also make sure to comment down below your favorite color from my last video. If you guys haven't watched that yet, make sure to go check it out and make sure to go watch it so that way you guys can know the names of the acrylics from that last video. Make sure to go check it out. So make sure to comment down below in this video one of the colors from the last video that was your favorite, and that's how I will be picking a winner, and I will make sure to pick it this weekend. So make sure to, like I said, make sure to turn on the bell, make sure to turn on your post notifications so that way you get notified whenever I announce the winner. And I will also make sure to announce it via Instagram, so make sure to go check down below my social media. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on TikTok, all that good stuff, and make sure to go show some love on there if you guys haven't yet. And like I did mention, if you guys want to enter on winning this collection, this holiday collection, which is perfect right now, especially since the holidays are right here, like literally right around the corner. So again, do not forget to comment down below your favorite colored acrylic from my last video, so that way you could get entered into winning these gels. So this will be the end to this video, and I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed. Definitely comment down below also what color was your favorite from the Staycation Collection, which I would definitely have to say again, it's like this kind of like beige white kind of color, as well as the blue. So make sure to comment down below your favorite color as well. Also, do not forget to check down below in the description for any of my social media, as well as any discount codes that are available. Make sure to go check those out if you guys haven't yet. Also, do not forget to check down below in the description for my last video, as well as any other videos that are throughout this one. Make sure to go check those out as well. Make sure to go show some love to them as well. And again, do not forget to give this video big thumbs up, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to comment down below the color of your favorite to enter the giveaway, and good luck to everybody, and I hope that you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one.
Your son to go fathers and father did all these kids raising all these kids. Who's the start of